Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So first of all, introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Likesh Kumar Sahu. I have born and brought up in Rajangaon, Chhattisgarh. I have done my graduation in mechanical engineering from Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University, Bhilai. Thereafter, I did my post-graduation in thermal engineering from Government Engineering College, Jagdalpur. And my hobbies include dancing and practicing yoga. I also like learning new skill and knowing about new perspectives, sir.
Okay, that's very nice. So, what do you think? Why you want to join IB as you are already an engineer?
So actually, I was preparing for UPSC Civil Service examination, but unfortunately, I could not clear the UPSC Civil Service examination. So I thought that IB is the best platform where I can utilize my potential. And as the working and the purpose are similar in the IB, the field is diverse, the challenging, the opportunity offered by IB is similar to UPSC. So because of that, sir, I decided that I will give exam of IB. Also, sir, that the analytical capability, the rational thinking capability of an engineer can be utilized for this IB platform.
Okay. Suppose you are selected in UPSC, right? And
Yes, sir.
then what will be your priority with respect to your job? Which post you
Sir,
like the most?
Sir, firstly, I'll do my job. If I'll selected in this IB SCIO, then I'll do dedicatedly my job. And if suppose I am selected for UPSC Civil Service examination, I'll join that, sir, because I was preparing for that.
Okay. How you can
Okay, sir.
utilize your knowledge of your graduation, that is engineering, in this field?
Yes. So engineering can be utilized in many ways because in engineering we have developed the analytical thinking, the capability of rationality, and also the technology is the biggest thing which is now being utilized in every field. Since cybersecurity is the major concern in the intelligence, also the compatibility with different technology like nanotechnology, biotechnology, the robotics, the in these different field can be better utilized by an engineer, as I think so.
Okay, that's good. Suppose you multiply all the digits, then can you tell me what will be the outcome?
All the digit will be multiplied.
Yeah.
So it will be infinity.
Are you sure about it? I'm talking about
Yes, yes,
only digit.
including zero, so
That
there will be zero.
when you multiply all the digits, that is 0
Okay.
to 9, right? So
Yes,
there will be 0.
yeah,
Okay,
it would be zero.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Very good.
इसके साथ ही साथ फ्रेंड्स आप इस बुक को ले सकते हो जो आप सभी के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगी स्पेशली इंटरव्यू के लिए आपके। इसमें आपको 100 प्लस इंटरव्यू से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल जाएंगे जिनको आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, जो कि आपके एग्जाम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पूछे जाने के चांसेस है। आपके इंटरव्यू में मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं। ऐसे सारे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आपको एक सीरीज मिल जाएगी क्वेश्चन की। साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे आपको करंट और सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स भी मिलेंगे इसी बुक में। आपको अलग से कुछ प्रिपेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं है। सारे जितने भी रिसेंट करंट एंड सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड इश्यूज है वो सारे के सारे इस बुक में कवर किए गए हैं। साथ ही साथ जो है आपको ये लोएस्ट कॉस्ट में आपको ये बुक मिल जाएगी। एडिशनल आपको 30% डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा। तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दोस्तों लिंक दिया गया है, वहां से जाके आप इस बुक को ले सकते हो और अपनी प्रिपरेशन को और बेहतर तरीके से कर सकते हो। राइट फ्रेंड्स?
Now, what do you think? What are the present situation with respect to tribal areas and schedule areas mentioned in our constitution, or what are the areas that actually mentioned?
So in the fifth and sixth schedule of the Constitution of India, the tribal and schedule areas are mentioned. In the fifth schedule, the tribal areas or schedule areas of the living the four states, that is Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. All other states, I think there are 10 states which are mentioned in that schedule. And in this schedule, there is a certain level of autonomy offered. And in the sixth schedule, the states like Assam, Mizoram, they have their own tribal autonomic districts where they have a certain autonomy. They select their own leader, and they have some certain subjects where they make rules with respect to that, sir.
Okay. Suppose you are given all the powers, right? You
Yes,
are
sir.
appointed an SP in an Naxalite area of
Okay,
Jharkhand, right?
yes.
So what will you do? What will be your steps so that the activities of Naxalites can be minimized?
So firstly, I will see that where these kind of Naxalite activities are majorly come from, which region these activities are majorly prominent. So there I will deploy some forces, and also I'll have a continuous contact with these people, these force, that what are the circumstances there and what are the evidences happening there. Whenever I get any kind of intelligence that these kind of activities is going to be happen, then I'll enhance the security there, and I'll try that there should not be such any circumstances which destroy or the peace and law and order of that region, sir.
Okay, that's nice. Now, can you elaborate how the fake currency will impact the economy or internal security of our country?
So firstly, the fake currency is illegitimate, so that it harmfully affect the economy by evading the tax. They do not pay tax, so because of that, our economy does not flourish in that manner. And also, so because of that, the industrialization or all the things where the investment should go does not go in particular way. Also, sir, the terror funding is major reason. So it is big thing which is caused by this money laundering and terror financing. So because of that, we do not know that whether the money is going and which kind of activity is flourishing because of such terror funding or the money laundering things.
Okay. So, what will be the impact on economy?
So in economy, firstly, the investment will be less because the money is not legitimate, and secondly, sir, the inequality will prevail because that is not which should be distributed everywhere is not distributed in that manner. So because of that, inequality will prevail. And thirdly, sir, there will be a kind of hoarding for money, means they will not be able to have a right use of money because of this illegitimate money.
Okay. So, what do you think? What are the threats involved with respect to black money, or how it is converted into white?
So the major threat because of black money is, according to me, is terror funding, because and also the lack of taxes which should be paid to the government, and because of that, the economy does not develop. So these are the things which affect the because of terror fund, because of money laundering. And money laundering is sorry, sir, I didn't get the second question.
Okay. What are the steps involved in money laundering?
So in money laundering, firstly, by different means like extortion or by drug trafficking or human being trafficking or different means, they collect money, and also by not paying the taxes and the corruption, they grab the black money, and by different processing and layering and sending money to different countries, to different banks, they assimilate the money in the economy. Thereafter, they layer the money in different ways so that that cannot be known to the world, and this way they convert the black money to white money, sir.
Have you heard about the Kakori conspiracy case?
Yes, sir, I have heard about Kakori conspiracy case.
So, what was that, and who were the main accused?
So I'm not able to recall the names at this moment, but it
Okay.
was happened in, I think, 1925, and
Okay, you are right.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you aware of what was the incident in that case?
Yes, sir, I have studied about it, but I am not able to recall all the incidents correctly at this moment, sir.
Okay, no problem. Do you know what is a specific heat?
Specific hit, yes, sir.
So what is it? how you can elaborate about specific heat? What is the utilization of it in present time? If you want to utilize it, how will you utilize?
So, so the specific heat, we can see its utilization with an example of water. Since the specific heat of water is very high, so it can keep the heat for a very long time. And because of that, for a longer time, if we go near the region of water like pond or river, we feel the heat for a very long time, even in night. And in the morning, we see that the breeze there is still cool because it takes the heat very lately and release the heat very lately. So this is the utilization of the specific heat.
Okay, very good. Can you distinguish between specific heat and latent heat?
So the latent heat is something which changes the phase of the material. For example, the latent heat of vaporization changes the uh, water into vapor, and the specific heat will not necessarily change the phase of that particular matter.
Okay, very nice. What do you think? What is the present situation with respect to maritime security in India?
What are the problems regarding maritime security, sir?
Yeah, you have to talk about regarding the present situation, what we have done or what we are facing at this moment.
So maritime security was not hit upon very much as if we consider if we consider to the other boundary, for example, to the boundary of different countries. But after 2008, when we saw the biggest attack in Mumbai bomb blast. After that, it was in news that the terrorist group came through the Arabian Sea, and that time it was realized that the maritime security is very big challenge. Also, the region of the southern part of India, where the usually it happens that the fishermen of India go to the region of Sri Lanka, and Sri Lankan fishermen come to India, and because of that there is a contention between these both countries. And yes sir, these are the things which let us feel that the maritime security is very important, and because of that nowadays the maritime security is also being pondered upon, and we have seen that various INS are now launched in this for this manner, for this purpose, like INS Karanj, and there are various ships which are being developed now, sir.
Okay.